everyone, so Cool Fidget Toy just sent us these fidgets to review for you guys. Okay, so she sent us 2 stockings. One's red and yellow, and it looks like Fry's Poppet. And then she sent us like a cotton candy themed stocking Poppet. We'll go with this red one first. Whoa, this doesn't even feel like a Poppet, and it's already open for you in the inside. There's not like a zipper, you just put like candy or mini Poppets inside of it. Okay guys, so this is like an actual stocking because you can put stuff inside, and not only can you do that, but it feels like one too. But before we move on to the next item, let's test out the popping. Whoa, the quiet side is so good. And the next stocking is this cotton candy themed. Okay guys, the moment of truth, let's test out the popping. This one is so good, and it feels way better than the red one in my opinion. And again, you can put fidgets or candy inside for Christmas. And for the Halloween themed fidgets, we have a mini pumpkin, a mini ghost, and a mini bat. Let's start off with this mini pumpkin poppet. Okay guys, so this also came with a keychain, and oh my gosh guys, this looks like an actual pumpkin. Look how cool this perfectly goes on. Oh my gosh guys, you can even put it inside. Okay guys, that was kind of hard to do with one hand, but it fit in there perfectly. Anyway, the next fidget we have to review is this cute little ghost mini poppet. Oh my gosh guys, this poppet is so good. And the quiet side almost feels like the loud side. Whoa guys, look at this little bat poppet. Oh my gosh guys, the bat looks so good. It looks like a little Batman. And they also included this skeleton. Okay guys, that was everything Cool Fidget Toy sent us, and look at all of these amazing poppets. Whoops, almost forgot this little pumpkin. And if you guys want any of these poppets, make sure to shop the link in our bio. And their account will be tagged in the caption.
Fidgets I regret buying. First up is this water timer. I'm just not the biggest fan of this fidget, and I don't really use it very much. It is cool to look at, but if I had known before, I probably wouldn't have bought this. The next fidget I regret buying is this puzzle ball. It's just a very loud fidget, and it's very different in person than I thought it would be. When I saw videos about this, it looked way cooler, so that's why I bought it. It has a yellow sponge inside, but if you like puzzles, you might enjoy this fidget more than I do. Up next, I have these ASMR pods. You can find these at Walmart for $10 for a 2-pack, but they're just so expensive for what you get inside. I personally just don't think it's worth it. I actually do like the noises that they make, I just don't think that each of these pods is worth $5 each. Last fidgets I regret buying are these stress balls, and that's only because they're just really hard to squish. I would much rather have a Nito than a stress ball. Bye!
them just for